Ah, Christmas, a time for reflection, celebration, and gratitude. This year, as we gather for the holidays, we're celebrating something extra special: 75 years of airline hydraulics. It started back in 1949 in a small workshop with big dreams. Our founder believed in the power of innovation and teamwork. From those early days to the present-day airline, our work has always been about solving problems and making industries run smoother, faster, and smarter. Over the years, we've transformed alongside the industries we serve. Becoming an ESOP turned every one of our employees into employee owners. Upgrading our website allowed us to serve customers nationally, and gaining ISO and UL standards opened new doors and opportunities. And here we are today, our 75th year. When we talked about how to celebrate this achievement, we zeroed in on lending and donating our knowledge and resources to local STEM programs and organizations in our community.
We created this traffic light demo together.
It's something we're committed to well past this anniversary.
And that was the key to the class. It has to be hands-on.
Year 75 also brought other milestones. First, gaining new CMMC security compliance. And second, expanding our full support territory to Georgia and Florida, which rounds out our services across the entire East Coast, from Maine to Florida. Every holiday season, our team, now 100 strong, continues to build on the legacy of quality and services that's at the heart of airline. As we celebrate our 75th, we want to thank those responsible for getting us here. To our incredible employee owners, our vendor partners, and most of all, our customers, thank you for being a part of the Airline Hydraulics family. Here's to the next 75 years of innovation, growth, and holiday celebrations together. As we keep finding new ways to serve your needs, who knows where we'll be by 2100. From all of us at Airline Hydraulics, happy holidays and have a safe and happy new year. Is that a little choppy with a turn there?
Ho, ho, ho. Yeah, we were talking about angry elves. He was an angry elf.
Two robots.